presenting a pre-owned 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This Dodge is a great value with less than 16,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.